Hi everybody, it is class 10th, chapters 10 circles. Today I will explain you two theorems that is based on tangents of circles. These two theorems are the compulsory in syllabus of CBSE board. Okay. The first theorem is that tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It is the theorem. The tangent, this is the tangent, it's okay, and a tangent at any point at a circle is perpendicular to the radius, it is the radius, okay, through the point of contact. So okay, this is the point of contact. Now to prove that, draw or construct another point Q on PT on tangent. Okay. Now join OQ. As OQ is the outside the circle, so obviously OP is less than OQ, means OQ is greater than OP. So okay. So OP is the shortest length, then we can say, and we know the shortest length is the perpendicular length on the line. Therefore OP is the perpendicular on this circle. Now the explaining part I am explaining here. A circle with center O and PT is the tangent line to the circle at the point P. Proof OP is perpendicular on PT. Okay, on the tangent. Now construct Q be the any point other than the P on PT. Join OQ. Prove. Since Q lie outside the circle, so OQ is greater than OP. Thus, all the segments that can be drawn from the center O to any point on the line PT. So, line PT, OP is the shortest one. So, now we know that the shortest segment that can be drawn from a given point to the given line is the perpendicular from the given point to the given line. Hence, OP is perpendicular to PT. Okay, that is the theorem. Now, second theorem is the length of the tangents. So, okay, length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So, we have to prove PQ is equal to PR. Okay, for that construct means join OQ and OR. So okay, PQ and P are the two tangents and join OQ and OR. Now see here. Now prove the radius of circle is perpendicular to the tangent from the theorem. We know from the first theorem. So angle in these two triangle. So okay, angle it is the perpendicular, so angle Q and angle R both are 90 degree. Okay. Now in right angle triangle OQP and ORP, in these two right angle triangle, angle OQP is equal to angle ORP, it is 90 degree. OP is equal to OP, OP is the common side, and OR is equal to OQ, OQ is equal to OR, it is R. Okay, OR. So therefore triangle OQP is equal to OQP is congruent to triangle ORP. Therefore PQ is equal to PR. PQ equal to PR means tangents are equal. Okay, that by CPCT we have got it. That proved it. Thank you very much.